Wait, don't scroll. 90% of people will skip this video and stay exactly where they are. If you skip this, nothing changes. This might be the most important video you watch today, because in the next few minutes, you'll see real ways people are earning online while others keep waiting and missing out. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is important because it lets you earn directly from your skills without investment. It's one of the fastest ways to start making money online. How to start. Pick one skill, writing, design, editing. Create 2 to 3 sample works. Join Fiverr or Upwork. Skills equals income. 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is important because you can earn by teaching what you already know. It also builds confidence and communication skills. How to start. Choose a subject you're good at. Prepare simple lessons. Teach via Zoom or tutoring platforms. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is important because you don't need your own product. You earn by recommending products to others. How to start. Pick a niche, beauty, tech, books. Get your affiliate link. Share through content or social media. 4. Selling digital products. Digital products are important because they create passive income. You make once and sell again and again. How to start. Create a simple product, ebook, planner. Use Canva for design. Sell on Etsy or Gumroad. 5. Social media content. This is important because attention is money in today's world. Growing an audience can turn into multiple income streams. How to start. Pick a niche, beauty, study, motivation. Post consistently, 3 to 4 times a week. Use trending sounds. 6. Online surveys and microtasks. This is important for beginners with no skills. It helps you start earning and build confidence online. How to start. Join platforms like Clickworker. Complete small daily tasks. Stay consistent. 7. Blogging. Blogging is important because it builds long-term income through traffic. It can grow into a full online business. How to start. Pick a topic you enjoy, write helpful articles, learn basic SEO. 8. Print on demand. This is important because you don't need inventory or money to start. It's perfect for creative people. How to start. Design simple graphics, upload on Redbubble or Teespring, earn per sale. 9. YouTube or Pinterest. These platforms are important for long-term growth and passive income. Content you create today can pay you later. How to start. Pick a content topic. Stay consistent. Consistency builds success. But if you stay, you might find your first way to earn online. No skills, no money, just one decision. So, scroll or start? Don't overthink it. Just pick one skill and start today. Comment below, which skill do you want to learn in detail? I'll make a full guide for you. And don't forget to follow for more.